In today's video, let's talk about how to fix X cannot go live. Now, the first thing that you need to ensure is that if you're trying to go with live within the X platform, if your account is new or if you have violated any sort of guidelines within the X platform. As I said, new accounts typically do not have the option of going live, and if you have violated some sort of community guidelines or guidelines within X, this also may be causing this issue. So this is normally going to be a temporary ban, so you should have the option of going live within a couple of weeks. So if this is not the case for you, the second thing that you can try out is try to check for app permissions. Simply hop out of the application of X, tap and hold it, and head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to app permissions and make sure that the camera as well as the microphone permission is set to allow. If this was previously set to deny, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. Apart from this, within the same settings, you can head over to storage, head over to clear all data, and once you do that, it will delete any sort of corrupted files which might be causing the issue and will also log you out of your account. So simply log in back and try to see if the issue is resolved. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.